NVIDIA Corporation is an American multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Santa Clara, California and incorporated in Delaware. It is a software and fabless company which design and supply graphics processing unit GPUs Application Programming Interface APIs for data science and high performance computing, as well as system on a chip unit SoCs for the mobile computing and automobile market. Revenue 60.92 billion 2024. Operating income 32.97 billion 2024. Net income 29.76 billion 2024. Total asset 65.73 billion 2024. Total equity 42.98 billion 2024. Number of employees 29,600 2022. NVIDIA professional line of GPUs are used for edge to cloud computing and in supercomputer and workstation for application in such field as architecture, engineering and construction, media and entertainment, automobile, science, research and manufacturing design. Its GeForce line of GPUs are aimed at the consumer market and are used in applications such as video editing, 3D rendering and PC gaming. With a market share of 80.2% in the second quarter of 2023, NVIDIA led the market for discrete desktop GPUs by a wide margin. The company expanded its presence in the gaming industry with the introduction of the gaming table and Shell TV, a digital media player, as well as its cloud gaming service GeForce Now. NVIDIA GPUs are used in deep learning and accelerated analytical due to NVIDIA CUDA software platform and API, which allow programmers to utilize the higher number of core present in GPUs to parallelize blast operations, which are extensively used in machine learning algorithms. They were included in many Tesla Inc. vehicles before Musk announced at Tesla Autonomy Day in 2019 that the company developed its own source and full self-driving computer now and would stop using NVIDIA hardware for their vehicle. Those GPUs are used by research laboratories, tech companies and entrepreneur companies. In 2009, NVIDIA was involved in what was called the Big Bang of deep learning, as deep learning neural network were combined with NVIDIA graphics processing unit GPUs that year. The Google Brain team used NVIDIA GPUs to create deep neural network capable of machine learning, where Andre Ng determined that GPUs could increase the speed of deep learning system by about 100 times. DGX is a line of supercomputer by NVIDIA. In April 2016, NVIDIA product the DGX-1 based on an 8 GPU cluster to improve the ability of user to use deep learning by combining GPUs with integrated deep learning software. NVIDIA gifted its first DGX-1 to OpenAI in August